In set 3, we'll be looking at circuits and paths. In this first part of the unit, questions 1 through 9, starting on page 47, you'll be looking at Earlian circuits and Earlian paths. First two key things we need to note is an Earlian circuit will only exist if all the vertices are of an even degree. An Earlian path if exactly two odd degree vertices exist. Now, in question number 1, you're asked to determine whether an Earlian circuit exists. If none exists, then find an Earlian path. Looking at 1a, quick check sees that all the vertices are of an even degree, either 4 in the case of G and H or 2 in the other cases. So, now when you're doing this, pay to use a pencil, but very quickly what we tend to do with these questions, when we set them out, we track through with a pencil following through, and very soon you'll find yourself an Earlian circuit. Now, to confirm that you've found it, write it down. Now, because you're starting at A, you could have actually gone one of two directions. So I'll write mine down as I just tracked it. In B, in a very similar way, you'll see that all the vertices are of an even degree. A has 2, G 2, E4 and so on. Once again, more than one possible track. I'll track mine going from left to right. Remember, you can visit each of the vertices more than once, but you can only do each of the edges once. So I'll write down what I've got. Now in the case of C, we've got two vertices that are of an odd degree, D and B. So we can't have an Earlian circuit, but we can have an Earlian path. An Earlian path visits each of the paths once, but you will not find your way back to A. So starting this one off, there's a few variants we can have. I can go from A to B, and back to B in that way. I can't find my way back to A. An Earlian path. Question 5 involves a problem that I would have done as a student many years ago. Can you draw the shape of a classic envelope, the back with the envelope lid open, without taking a pen off the page? This is an issue that doesn't involve an Earlian circuit, but in fact an Earlian path. Now, just to start things off, I've labelled 5 vertices A through E, and I'll track it through. There's a few little variants of this. Now, without taking the pen off, I'm just showing you how this can potentially work. And there's my envelope. See if you can follow that process. Once again, we've got 2 vertices of an odd degree, degree 3, C is of 2, and B and D are of degree 4.